This is a 2014 BMW 116i with 89,000 kilometers. Customer order after purchase due full maintenance. So all 4 new brake discs and pads with fluid flues, engine oil, all the filters, serpentine belt with all tensioners and water pump, new coolant, gearbox oil change, and also Android screen installation with backup camera. Also front left headlight full of moisture, so we fixed that also. So when brakes were done, next up was V-belt and tensioners, also water pump and new coolant. Engine oil and filters I did off camera. It's quite easy car to work on compared to the V8s, V6 we have here often. Plenty of room to operate. At first glance, we did not plan to change the water pump and its pulley, but when we reached to them, the pulley rubber surface was in bad shape and the water pump had significant play, so had to replace this also. E&A is the OEM manufacturer for this car V-belt parts. Vacuum filling is always the way to go with coolant change. Saves so much time. ZF-HHP gearbox was up next. BMW does not recommend to change oil in gearbox before 150 kilometers, but the manufacturer of gearbox ZF states that oil must be changed every 65 to 85 kilometers, so car had 89 kilometers on the clock and was already overdue. Most of the process was forgotten to film. It can be a messy job. Now to the fun part. New 12.3-inch screen instead of 6.5 inches OEM. Runs on Linux system, and we also added a reverse camera. Altogether, about 4.5-hour job. The camera wiring to the rear takes much time.